welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday, everyone. I'm Michael, and this is the 21st time I've tried to record this today, and that is not an exaggeration. What we're talking about today is backups, and why you should have one. Look, I'm an optimistic fellow, but terrible things happen. They do. Hard drives fail, computers get destroyed, phones get lost, and as we learned recently in the Marshall Fire, disaster strikes. And in that situation, whether it's just a lost phone or a dead hard drive, a backup can be the difference between, oh, no big deal, and losing priceless memories. The easiest and best way to back up these days is probably with a cloud service. There are a bunch of options. Carbonite, OneDrive, iCloud is great. For your phone, we recommend Google Photos to tons of people to back up those photos. I'm constantly amazed at the number of people that I come across that have no backup at all of their photos. They have pictures of their kids, pictures of their grandparents maybe, and the only place those live is on a device that could be lost or stolen or be destroyed. So it's super important, not just for things like photos, but for legal documents, for business information. It's super important to have a backup. If you'd like more information about ways you can back up, leave a comment down below or give us a call at the shop. Send us a DM. Be happy to give you a little more information about a backup, or just come by the shop anytime and we'll be happy to chat with you about setting up a backup. Until then, Burton out. This is terrible. It's literally the worst. Why am I so bad at this? I don't know.